कोर को ट्रेन करने से बैक पेन को ठीक किया जा सकता है? यस एंड नो। लोअर बैक पेन से डील करने के लिए आपको कोई स्पेशल कोर या पिलाटेस एक्सरसाइज करने की जरूरत नहीं है, एज दे आर नॉट सुपीरियर टू जनरल रेजिस्टेंस एक्सरसाइजेस। Two significant meta-analyses were done to compare core stability exercises to general strength exercises, and these studies, which studied a lot of other studies, found no meaningful difference. In other words, core focused rehab might help some people, but so does general strength training, often in a better and holistic way than core focused training. ह्यूमन बॉडी कभी भी आइसोलेशन में काम नहीं करती। कोर मसल्स कोई सेपरेट एंटिटी नहीं है, वो हमारी पूरी बॉडी के मस्कुलेचर के साथ अटैच्ड है, एंड हमारी बॉडी का पूरा मस्कुलेचर एक टीम की तरह काम करता है। दैट इज व्हाई लार्ज कंपाउंड मूवमेंट्स लाइक स्क्वाट्स, ओवरहेड प्रेसेस एंड डेडलिफ्ट्स ऑलरेडी डू अ फिनोमिनल जॉब ऑफ स्ट्रेंथनिंग द कोर. These compound movements will develop more than enough core strength and are a far better way to build all-round strength. अगर आपका लोअर बैक पेन कम हो जाता है जब आप आपके कोर को एंगेज करते हो, तो इस सिचुएशन में कोर एंगेजमेंट कैन बी अ गुड टेम्पररी सोल्यूशन. हाउएवर, देयर हैव बीन स्टडीज दैट शो दैट बैक पेन के पेशेंट्स ऑफन एग्जिबिट एन इंक्रीज्ड एक्टिवेशन एंड स्टिफनेस इन देयर कोर मसल्स. सो बेसिकली लोअर बैक पेन के पेशेंट्स ऑलरेडी अपने कोर मसल्स को ओवरली टाइटन्ड एंड एंगेज्ड रखते हैं, एंड देन आउटडेटेड फिजियोस एडवाइज देम टू कीप देयर कोर इवन मोर एंगेज्ड, जिसकी वजह से पेशेंट्स अपने बॉडी मूवमेंट्स बहुत ज्यादा रेस्ट्रिक्टेड कर देते हैं. एंड through some really good studies, we also know that fear and anxiety regarding movement can increase the pain by a very large margin. कभी-कभी तो the fear of movement can cause more pain than the actual physical injury itself. मैंने खुद मेरे प्रोफेशन में ऐसे बहुत पेशेंट्स देखे हैं जो अपनी स्पाइन को ट्विस्ट, बेंड या एक्सटेंड नहीं कर पाते. एंड ऐसा भी नहीं है कि ये मूवमेंट्स उन्हें पेन देते हैं. इट्स जस्ट दैट वो इतने ज्यादा हैबिचुएटेड हो गए हैं to keep their spine straight that now they find it physically impossible to bend their spine even if they want to.
What the fuck is this shit?
Core stability and core strength buzzwords बन गए हैं. There is this false notion that जो लोग unconventional flashy exercises करते हैं अपनी core train करने के लिए, वो लोग सिर्फ regular exercise नहीं कर रहे, वो लोग athletic, real, functional training कर रहे हैं, जो एक superior training approach है and is something which will keep them healthy and injury free forever and will build real muscle unlike the fake muscles they'll develop by doing regular gym exercises.
I don't know, that's about the dumbest thing I ever heard.
Some of the biggest studies looking at the effect of unstable exercises on athletic conditioning state that unstable surface या unstable equipment के साथ train करना is one of the best ways to decrease the recruitment of muscle fibers. The muscles simply cannot exert their maximum force when they're facing a lot of instability. अगर आपका goal muscle, strength and speed develop करना है, then training on a stable surface with stable equipment is your best option. The optimal way to train balance and core stability for any sport or skill is by training the skill on the same surface on which the skill will be performed during the competition. तो unless आप कोई ऐसे sport में participate कर रहे हो जिसमें आपको बोजू बॉल पर खड़े होकर खेलना पड़ता है, there is no point in wasting your time training on a बोजू बॉल. So then क्या rings पर train करना भी एक bad idea है? You might think. Well, it depends कि आप जिम्नास्टिक्स रिंग की ट्रेनिंग से क्या अकम्प्लिश करना चाहते हो. Because there are a lot of simple exercises that can be done on rings जिसमें इतनी कुछ instability as such feel नहीं होगी. Such exercises can be a decent method for developing muscles as they are very similar to normal gym exercises. But there are these advanced elements on rings जिनको achieve करना बहुत difficult है. A lot more than most people think. For example, a lot of people think that a human flag is a very difficult skill and something like iron cross is much easier, when in reality human flag would be considered as a warm-up for iron cross. But the people who chase iron cross, planche and all the other holds, they are not trying to get jacked or trying to develop strength in some other sport through these holds. Because as difficult as these holds are, you won't get much muscular growth through these holds. Rings gymnastics एक बहुत ही specialized pursuit है which is completely different from garbage unstable movements which are allegedly being done to improve qualities like speed, stability or strength for some other sport. ये सब BS stability exercises के पीछे thought process कुछ ऐसा है that unstable surface पर stability achieve करने के बाद अगर आप नॉर्मल स्टेबल सरफेस पर आ जाते हो तो योर परफॉर्मेंस विल सडनली गेन अ ह्यूज बूस्ट. दिस ट्रेनिंग लॉजिक माइट साउंड गुड but it doesn't work at all. Such flashy movements however might look very appealing and unconventional and बहुत से लोग exactly इसी reason की वजह से ऐसी exercises करते हैं. And that is because first कुछ लोगों को gym exercise बहुत ही boring लगती है and they would prefer to do something more entertaining and engaging than a 3x6 squat. In that case, just playing a sport or joining a dance class might be a more sensible option for them. And secondly, people think that the moment they'll touch a dumbbell, they'll suddenly turn into Ronnie Coleman, and they don't want a physique like that. There are people who do want to look like that and are spending all their money, all their time, and their willpower to look like that and still fail to get even remotely close to their goal. So, गलती से over muscular हो जाना तो impossible है. A lot of trainers and coaches exploit this miseducated belief of people and sell their functional stability exercises as ways to develop real muscle, not the fake muscle जो dumbbells and machines से बनते हैं. The core revolution started with good intentions. Researchers in the late 90s observed that people with lower back pain sometimes had delayed core activation. So naturally, they thought, what if we train these deep core muscles in isolation to fix back pain? Seems logical, right? But truth is always more nuanced than what we assume. Because years later, when researchers conducted higher quality follow-up studies, they found that core activation से back pain ठीक नहीं होता. In fact, it can sometimes even worsen back pain. Turns out the initial researches were too simplistic. Dr. E.L. Lederman ने अपने classic research paper The Myth of Core Stability में decades of research को analyze करते हुए ये पाया that the entire concept of core stability and core training has been massively overstated and misinterpreted, and that making patients overly focused on core activation often increases pain-related fear as it makes their movements restricted and unnatural, the exact opposite of what you want from good rehab and for high performance. This brings us to one of the greatest pioneers in the field of back pain research, the legendary Professor Peter O'Sullivan. I discussed his research in my posture video also. Now, what makes his story so inspirational is that he was the man responsible for making core training very popular in the physiotherapy world. However, later, as he researched more, he realized that core stability might not be that important for preventing or fixing lower back pain. And with a lot of courage, he began challenging his own previous findings. It's very rare to find people with such an honest and non-dogmatic mindset. Peter O'Sullivan is famous for his live sessions जहां वो स्टेज पर chronic lower back के patients को invite करते हैं. ये usually वो patients होते हैं जो multiple physiotherapists के पास सालों तक घूम चुके हैं to get rid of their pain and are pretty much hopeless at this point. Then what Peter does is he gives them simple tasks to do, and most of the time the movements of the patients are very robotic and hesitant. And then he'll trick them into doing things or will make them very deliberately do actions where the only way to do the task is by letting go of their core tightness and letting the spine bend. And it's unbelievable how people start feeling better just by letting go of their isometric core contraction. By gently challenging the beliefs, Peter O'Sullivan patients को ये realize करवाते हैं that they can move without harm and pain. It's almost like faith healing. But instead of fake results achieved by believing in something, here true results are achieved by letting go of beliefs of fragility and weakness. One way to think about it is through the analogy that Peter often gives. You clench your fist when punching or while lifting a heavy object, but once the task is done, you relax your fist. Now, walking around 24/7 with a clenched fist will definitely lead to wrist and palm pain. Similarly, core muscles को भी सिर्फ तभी engage करना चाहिए when needed. But अगर वो एक perpetual habit बन जाए तो उससे pain develop होगा ही. The reason why sometimes core exercises से lower back pain ठीक हो जाती है is that बहुत सारे लोग की lifestyle बहुत ही ज़्यादा sedentary होती है. इतनी इनएक्टिव लाइफस्टाइल से द बॉडी बिकम्स वेरी वीक एंड बिकम्स वेरी ससेप्टेबल टू इंजरी एंड पेन. ऐसी सिचुएशन में एनी एक्सरसाइज, इवन कोर एक्सरसाइजेस, विल हेल्प देम टू improve their motor control, their proprioception and their confidence in their own bodies, all of which is extremely important for living a pain-free life. So there really isn't anything special about core training itself that cures or even prevents back pain, but just training and physical activity in general can be an extremely beneficial, if not the best way to fix lower back pain. As I said, core training isn't bad, it's definitely better than being sedentary. It's not magical or even necessary. But if you're still interested to train your core, then you'll have to go beyond level 3 PG exercises. Just like any other muscle, core muscles need to be trained via exercises जो progressively overload की जा सके. अगर core train करना ही है, then train it in multiple angles, train it in a based manner, in bent and twisted positions instead of relying on useless stability exercises. Also feel that we need more belly protrusion positivity, because अपनी belly को suck in करके अपनी core को constantly engage रख के a lot of people want to create the illusion that they have a flat belly, but that is anyways a very rare thing. So we need more belly protrusion positivity, but again I know that is something which will never happen. So guys, if you learned anything from this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment for the algorithm, and most importantly,